Hi, I'm Thomas Stierli from Stierli Bieger. I'm presenting you here our rotator. You can see that we can rotate any kind of beam or welder construction. We can even changing the working height. The advantage of this unit is that you can save around 30% of production time and of course safety. Everybody knows how difficult and dangerous it is to turning beams, and you see here how easy it is. I can really stop at any position. I can bring it to the right working height, and I can weld all the beams in the right welding position. The rotators are movable, so it means that you can one stays in the same position. With the second one you can move. So with that Stierli rotator, you can really improve your production. Thank you very much.